Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are exploring Google in greater depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of the 29th of October, 2024, our system has identified Google as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.71. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced an increase of 2.82%. This equates to an average return of 1.41% each day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper section of a broad and horizontal trend. While this typically presents a favorable selling opportunity, a breakthrough above the upper trend line at $174.49 would indicate a strong buy signal, suggesting a possible shift in trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates an anticipated change of approximately 1.72% over the forthcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 12.35% to positive 1.74%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it projects a change of about 25.97% over the next year, with expected returns between 11.71% and 47.63%. This would correspond to a price range between $194.89 and $257.55 by the end of the year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Google stock price increased by 2.82% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, rising from $169.68 to $174.46. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.56%, reaching a low of $174.06 and a high of $182. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.63% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 33 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 68 million shares changed hands for approximately $11.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $191.75, while the lowest price was $123.72. Currently, the price is 9.02%, or $17.29, below the 52-week high, and 92.88%, or $2,274.46, below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google, has experienced a significant increase in its stock value following the announcement of strong third-quarter earnings that surpassed analyst expectations. This impressive performance is largely attributed to substantial growth in its cloud computing division, an area where ongoing investments are expected to further enhance revenues. Analysts express optimism, suggesting that YouTube's valuation may reach $750 billion by 2027, which could greatly elevate Alphabet's market capitalization. Recent reports indicate that Alphabet is strengthening its position in the race for artificial intelligence, with advancements in AI having a considerable effect on both cloud and search revenues. This positive momentum implies that Alphabet's diverse sources of income, including Google Cloud, YouTube, and innovative ventures like Waymo, will continue to foster long-term profitability and growth. Furthermore, the enthusiasm surrounding Alphabet's third-quarter results has been mirrored in stock price movements, which align with a broader upward trend in the technology sector and United States equities, particularly the Nasdaq. Despite some mixed signals from other technology companies, Alphabet distinguishes itself as a leader with strong fundamentals and appealing valuations. Nevertheless, challenges persist, such as the recently imposed exorbitant fines by a Russian court regarding media restrictions. While this situation may have immediate financial ramifications, investors are currently focused on the larger growth narrative and Alphabet's strategic initiatives. In summary, the company's robust earnings and promising growth prospects could result in sustained upward pressure on its stock price in both the short and long term. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned a buy grade to Google, along with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, JMP Securities also rated Google as market outperform while suggesting a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October 2024, Seaport Global gave Google a buy rating, accompanied by an upgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October 2024, BMO Capital rated Google as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October 2024, Jefferies provided Google with a buy grade and a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. Google stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected from the levels at $166.68 and $163.61. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, September 10th, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 17.36%. Further increases are anticipated until a new peak pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal that occurred 37 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal issued 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal received 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, a buy signal from 29 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal that appeared 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $165.85. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. In the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $7.94 between its high and low, translating to a fluctuation of 4.56%. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 2.45%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard P/E ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or consistent revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 28th of January, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $165.85. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The consensus average rating for Google from various analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of October, 2024, O'Toole Thuner made an insider purchase of 1,367 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, O'Toole Thuner also sold 1,367 shares of Class C Google stock units. Additionally, on the 25th of October, O'Toole Thuner sold 1,394 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 16th of October, 2024, Pichai Sundar conducted an insider sale of 10,104 shares of Class C capital stock. On that same day, Pichai Sundar also sold 12,396 shares of Class C capital stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power appears to be negative, with a ratio of negative 10.577. In total, insiders have purchased 934,806 shares and sold 1,160,971 shares in these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $168.46, reflecting a decrease of 3.44%. This stock exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a low-risk profile. However, with the 14-day relative strength index at 78, the risk significantly increases. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 36 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google displays several positive indicators and is regarded as a solid option at current levels. We anticipate that Google stock will perform well in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the last day of October, we expect Google to open up $2.38 and start trading at $176.84. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.